Welcome back everyone to Evo Tom's Pokemon Booster Pack opening. Today we'll be opening 2 Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Booster Packs from the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Booster Box. Let's get started. We've got a Rillaboom pack, four from the back, I think we got Colorless Energy. Oh, that's alright, next time. Morgreen, Medicham, Pokeball, Roly-Coly, Applin, Alternative Art, Hatenna, Magikarp, Meditate, Skuntank, Holo, and Abomasnow, regular rare. We've got a Toxicity pack, four from the back, I think we got Steel Energy. Next time. Skylar, Electrode, Xatu, Honedge, Impidimp, Magmar, Electabuzz, Squavit, and Holo Alena. And Zacian regular rare. Would be nice to get a holo version of him. I'm going to showcase some of the cards that we got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you liked about the video, and tell me what you're pulling in your Pokemon booster packs. See you next time for another Pokemon booster pack opening.